good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. My name is Dev. I hope everyone's doing awesome, guys. Today is an amazing day. Pretty bright out, pretty hot out. Now the air conditioners are inside, they're on, and it's pretty cold in the house, so I'm pretty happy. And today we're going to review the front bumper for the TRX4 Traxxas Land Rover Defender. Thank you for tuning in RC Overdose. And this video is sponsored by GPM Racing Products, one of the best in the market. Now this video is all about the front bumpers. Now TRX4 has a unique front bumper. It's a pretty scale, detailed, realistic Land Rover Defender bumper. Now my love started with the front bumper with the red hooks that I have here, and it looks pretty good. You know, I also have this metal sheet here which made it look more scale. So this was my first step as an upgrade with the bumper, with the stock bumper. I didn't like that damage because it was plastic. Plastic is only good. Now the next one was this one. Now this one comes with a little bit of springs here. If there's any rocks, it was actually able to flex a little. The third one that I reviewed just recently was this one. Now this is one of my favorite front bumpers. It looks very scale and it comes with red hooks. So this is fully aluminum and it has a lot of weight on it. Now today I will be reviewing the front bumper with a winch plate mount. Oh, that actually feels very, oh wow. That is absolutely heavy. Wow. I love it. Okay guys, so this is black. Looks awesome. Let me know your guys' thoughts on it. It also says Defender, so in case you want to remove the sticker from the body. So the winch plate mount is already on here. And this is the winch plate. Wow, guys, this is awesome. This is actually a very good detailed upgrade. And GPM is always equipped with good quality screws. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this right away for you guys. And we'll mount this in and see how it looks. So let me show you guys where you can find this product. So as usual, you would go to gpmracing.com.hk. Brush guard bumpers. It also comes with a winch plate. Here's the front bumper. It is very simple. First you have to mount these things, which have 4 screws for it underneath it. So these 2 things go underneath here, 4 screws, and then there's 5 screws for the winch plate. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. And it's a very easy and a simple assembly. So there it is. It looks very cool, guys. Let me know. I'm also getting a winch for it. Just 2 to 3 more days and the winch will be here. So we'll also do a review on a winch. So, as usual, the link's down in the description, so check it out for yourself. If you're looking for a bumper with a winch plate, GPM has one for you. And apart from that, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.